Naik Dalal from Malgaon. Due to the coronavirus outbreak and the current lockdown, not able to practice regularly, therefore trying to keep myself fit at home by doing some exercise.
Hi, I'm Sneha Mesta from Colaco. As we all know, about people around are suffering due to COVID-19 lockdown till 3rd May. During this lockdown period, being a table tennis player, I was focusing on my fitness activities, doing some morning workouts to keep myself fit. So friends, I would like you all to do some basic workouts and maintain social distancing whenever you are out. Stay home, stay safe, be fit. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Advait Mudras. Lockdown has made stepping out of a house next to impossible, and staying home is the only safe option available to us. To keep myself physically fit, I practice skipping and enjoy tapping the ball. As for mental fitness, I indulge myself into painting, photography, etc. And as a stress buster, I play harmonium.
Hi, my name is Colaco, and during this time of lockdown, I am keeping fit by practicing my endurance exercises every day in the evening. And when the lockdown is lifted, I will practice with my coach regularly so that I can play well during my table tennis tournaments and hopefully represent my state at the national game.